Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind. Morning, y'all. Today is Saturday. One of my team packages got delivered just now. Like literally just went downstairs like 2 minutes ago, picked it up. But the thing is, when I got the notification that was delivered, I went outside and didn't see nothing. But I did see in the mail the UPS guy. He went to do something else, and then he went back in his truck, and then he pulled up. And I'm like, I got a notification that it was delivered, but I didn't see no packages. I'm like, what my package is? He's like, here it is. Because why you press that you delivered it, sir, and it wasn't delivered yet? Don't do that. Don't do that. But anyways, and it's very nice outside. It's like almost 60 degrees. It's like 56 degrees outside right now. So it's crazy because it was just flurries the other day, like 2 days ago. Like New York is so confusing. This is a lot of work. I have the regular blender because this don't work as good as I thought it was going to work. I gotta keep pressing it. Look, I know. I'm here watching Sid the Last Dance. I ain't watching the movie in so long. I forgot that she did the Elon tour in the movie here. Elon tour, what's the Elon tour, girl? Yeah, girl. She killed her just now. Where she's at? I haven't heard about her in a long time. Where's she at? So she been in movies. I just don't be watching them. The last movie she been in, well, last year was a movie with Jennifer Lopez. I forgot the name of it right now. I'm Halftime, and another movie. I gotta go watch those because I'm like I ain't seen her in so long. You look good tonight. It's the one tonight. Hey, should. So I forgot like I have another package from Seymour coming today. So why is my belly doing that? It's so weird. Like why are they doing that? I ate. Well, I had a smoothie. Yeah. So I ate. I had a burger like on 3 something. I went to sleep around 4. So I wasn't really too hungry when I got this morning, so that's why I made the smoothie. You know, something light. So I don't know, my belly I embarrass me right now. Don't do that. Don't do that, because I ate. I saw a post on Instagram earlier. We spoil these kids so much, we don't know what to get them for Christmas. Like, that's me. I feel shop for myself, I have to shop for Kimani. I just have to buy something for him. It's easy to spoil him because he's the only one. Well, on my side. I don't know. I got 2 sisters on this father's side. But yeah, I'm going to spoil my baby as long as I want to, okay? And honestly, my son don't need nothing. He have so many stuff.
A few moments later.
What these people deliver my package? Like, what? Everything better be in there. That's all I know.
2 hours later.
It's 4 o'clock right now. I just came outside. And there's no sun. It's a little cold, actually. I came outside with this sweater on by itself, and I have to run back upstairs and get my jeans jacket because I didn't feel like putting no puffer on today. But I'm about to go to Gateway Mall and change the bottles out. But I'm waiting for this bus. It's going to take forever to come. It said, one say 14 minutes and one say 9 minutes. So I'm going to be here for a while. It's cold. I'm not trying to stay in Gateway Mall for a long time. I really just want to go there and get some chicken and then I'm back. That's it. And water. That's about it. Because I'm about to go to Jamaica, so I'm not about to buy a whole bag of groceries. I just want chicken. My job just texted me. They want me to work tomorrow at 7 o'clock in the morning. Wow. I'm going to do it though. I'm going to do it. They're looking for me want the money here. But I said no. That location they still try to sell me. I don't really like it. But it's only for 7 to 3, so that's not bad. I'm going to just take it. Look at that. I can't wait to open this. Oh, I cannot wait for them to open this place. It's crazy because I just literally came out the shower and I just washed one of my shirts just in case because I just had a feeling they were going to ask me to work tomorrow. So I just washed one of my shirts and I'm like, as soon as I come off the bus, I just see that they text me. Never had Five Guys, but that shit is expensive and the hype is not what it's supposed to be. I don't know. I might try one day though. Oh, look what they have. I never had these before, so I think I've two of them. Have an orange and they have. Oh wait. 50. You have so yeah, I think I've two already. Oh, I changed my bottles. God, $1.75, y'all. Not really that crowded in here. Yeah, every time I come to ShopRite, I gotta get these. It's 10 for $1. I have to get them. 10 for $1? Can't buy. You can't do that. The candles is still here. I don't need no candles though. I really don't. Colorful. Just missed the damn bus again. Second bus I'm missing coming out of here. But it's 5:30 and I got what I needed. Money, y'all. So today's Sunday morning, and I'm heading to work. I work at 7. It's like 5:40 right now. I'm trying to leave it at 5:30, but I tried. Okay, I take the Ace of Barber Junction and take the L from there to 125th. Then I gotta walk 12 minutes because I think it's a weekend, so the trains is messed up. I usually take the 4 or the 4 to 5 to 86th Street and take the bus from there. But like I said, it's a weekend, so yeah. But I'm gonna see y'all when I get to work. Happy Sunday. I'm at Fulton. Just came off the A. I'm gonna take the 4. I don't take the L, but when I checked it, it changed. Yesterday when I checked it was the 4. I mean, it was the L. So now I'm just gonna take the 4 like I did last time. Like I said, it's a weekend. We should be changing it. So I'm going over there, uptown Bronx. So the train is coming in 40 minutes. I am gonna be late. I checked the time because on the app that I have, I can check the time when I'm getting off the train at the stop I'm getting off at, and I'm getting off at 7 o'clock, or 7:01. It's finally coming, y'all. Finally. I'm ready to go. I'm going up this way. This smells. It's funky over here. Hurry up. I got an easy job work today because the cameras ain't working, so I'm not watching nothing. All I got to do is wait for these people to come pick up the packages, and they can't sign anything. Just gotta write it down in the book, and that's about it. And I get up by 3, probably 4 now. I ordered a wig from Temu. I'm praying to God it's not synthetic. Because if I wanted a synthetic wig, I would have bought it from AliExpress. Okay? It says human, so it better be human. I'm not playing. I didn't open the package yet, but it came. So I'm gonna do this unboxing tomorrow. This is my last Temu unboxing for the year. Oh, Fashion Nova, Fashion Nova. I found a coupon code for $31. Oh, child. I love my coupon. So that amount, $31? Oh yeah, it's from this app called Cooper. Download it. You know when you see when you have a child and you see all the little kids, you're like, oh, I wish he was little like that again. But my son is growing up too fast. In my arms, in my mind, all the time, I wanna keep you right from my side to my top. I'm gonna hold you down, make sure everything is right with you. You can never go wrong, you let me hold you. Now I go with friends, I'm trying to show you the right to somebody like you should be living.
Many hours later.
It's 3 minutes to 2 and I'm leaving in an hour, so can't wait. Get out of here. Just had my lunch and I tried this drink from that I bought from ShopRite yesterday. It's not bad. It's good actually. It's good. It's not too sweet, but I see that it really don't taste that sweet to me. But I see that you have a lot of sugar in it. I don't know. It's not really sweet to me. And yeah, I had a salad. I gotta leave at 4 now because now the person that's supposed to relieve me is gonna be late, which is fine. It's whatever. So I bought the needle and thread from Timo because I'm gonna sew that wig up. It's gonna fit my head. I'm not playing. Nope, I ain't buy that shit for it to be loose on my head. I'm off work, y'all. And look, it's raining and it's 59 degrees. Welcome to the train station right now. It's like 4:15 because the guy was a little bit late, but it's fine because I was late this morning. Taking the Q to 42nd and take the A from there. Because the other stuff, they're showing me a bunch of trains, like 3 trains. I gotta take the 4 train to the 6 and take the A. That's too much. For $1. Sweet peppers. Lettuce. So I'm thinking I'm taking this. I think it's a Q train I'm coming up to. It's a 6. Going from the Q's opposite direction. But I don't even care. I don't even care. I'm just gonna take this train and go home. I have to go sit over here. Then take this train from 7 minutes. Downstairs and catch the A. Walk. Well, it's upstairs. And I'm back on the regular side that I came back earlier. That's the even engaged. See? This is what I wanted to do last time. I'm gonna go back downstairs. I'll take the A. I'm home, and this is what we're eating for dinner today. I'm gonna finally try this. I'm about to season it and put it on the grill.
The next morning.
When mommy to show me, my inner child was.
Hey y'all, today's Monday, and I don't know where I left off yesterday. I think I showed that when I was making a burger. Oh, it's good. It's good. I like it. It's windy today. It's one of the old trains. It's a J. I don't know what stop here. I don't know. My Westport. And we put a train. I'm going to have old train over there. I don't know what's going on. Hey, this is the firehouse. I just made my order on Fashion Over and I'm praying. It says arrive by the 25th, which is Christmas But I'm gonna be in Jamaica on the 22nd. I'm leaving on the 22nd, so it better come. I'm not paying. This is the date. This is the time. Because I was contemplating. I'm like, oh, it was a dress on there that I keep going back and forth with buying. They have two colors, and I just decided to get the black and white instead of getting the yellow. And they had a top that go with it. It's cute too, but it was on sale for like $3.98, and I think the regular price was $29.99. So I was like, I was trying to get that, but I never did reviews because I'm a type of person. I read the reviews. Once I see what the review says, like I don't like it, I'm just gonna take it out of the cart. But it was so cute. It would be like a nice date night top or just hanging out. I think I have enough clothes from Shein, so I didn't really need nothing to be honest. But just cause Fashion Nova have a sale, I'm like, let me just get something. I got 3 dresses and the sandals for myself, and the others are both for my family, my cousins, and my brother or whatever. Hopefully, it comes. Cause if it'll come by the time you leave, when I get left. When I get left, brother, like what I'm gonna do? Make it out. What I must do? It have to come by the 25th. I feel like God not gonna let that happen to me. I feel like I have faith that it's gonna come by the 25th. But today's 11th, so 1 week. They shouldn't even take that long. I mean, it's the holidays, everybody ordering stuff, so it might take a little while. But I hope it doesn't. I hope it comes before I leave. I did order 2 turmeric soap from Amazon, and they came today. But I have one more order to come in the week, which is I think it says gonna come on Thursday. So yeah, I ordered the turmeric soap from Amazon. It's a natural, not the one that's on TikTok. It's a natural one, and I think it was $8.99. But then I went on Temu and I see that they had 2 pieces for 5 something, the same exact soap, and I see 4 pieces for 9, like under $10. It was 9 and change. So I think I checked the 4 pieces. I need it. That could last me for a while. Because I gotta buy Kimani. I went to Boots, and yes, I'm getting up for Temu. I'm not buying no damn name brand because I'm just not. I was planning my Kimani trip for next year. I didn't get to bring my baby on no trip this year, so I'm trying to make up for next year. Like I'm trying to book one for her birthday, which is 2 weeks apart. His is May 15, mine is May 26. So I'm trying to take flights with my baby next year. This is just me and him. This year was just me flying out. He was supposed to go to Jamaica with me, but his father ID expired and he didn't renew it. So Americans want 2 parents to renew the passport. He basically have to give permission for Kimani to be out of the country. Like, I'm his mother. Well, I get it what they're saying though, but yeah. So that's the reason why he's not coming to Jamaica with me, which I'm like sad about because I want him to come with me. I already went there by myself already, so I've been planning to bring him. Like I said that when I was down there, I'm like I need to bring him with me next time I come. But turned out to find out that his father state ID was expired, and he just not to say his business, but it's facts. He just didn't think to renew it. Now he just missing my whole plans. Okay, he missing my whole plans. I told him, listen, you need to renew that because next year I'm trying to fly my baby out. Me and him need to fly out next year. So you need to do what you gotta do. Yeah. He's like, yeah, I know. So yeah, that's gonna happen. I got one more, well, literally an hour left, and I'm out. I'm hungry to go home and make them burgers again. That's what I'm about to do. Cause I cook with chicken, but I don't want to be in the kitchen so long. So I'm not gonna do that. Classes is done. Ain't nobody here but like 2 IT staff. So I just need to go do my last walkthrough at 9:30. So now it's just me alone. The 2 IT staff just left. I'm sure a Christmas tree. Off work, heading home because it's cold as hell. my model face. This is why I just choose to stay home because I don't know how these people come outside and sitting down in the cold. I couldn't do it. Woo! It's so cold. I don't know what it means. No stuff. No, that's how you can catch me outside in the summertime more than the winter. They were falling apart, but I'm gonna find a way to put this on the grill without it falling apart. I got this cheese from Jamaica, so I'm gonna put a slice on there. I forgot about it the other day. This smells food. Look at that, y'all. This is the end result, y'all. I don't want it to be dried out too much. I want some juice still in it, you know. Well, I feel like I want to make some eggs with it. I don't have no lettuce or anything, no tomatoes. I'm gonna get that. I'm still gonna go to the market tomorrow. I'm gonna try to do this Timo haul tonight, and I just got my Amazon packages. My neighbor downstairs picked it up for me. So I forgot I had this. Oh, not everything. Okay, there you go. It tastes good. So I just finished my Timo haul. Show you the time. Look at the time. AM, okay? And now it's time to do the Amazon unboxing. So we're gonna do this and then I'm gonna clean up and take my ass to bed. I got some chopped, y'all. That's the only thing in this box is the chopsticks. Why did you put it in a box? Why did you put it in a bag? I feel like sometimes Amazon be so extra because you just wasted the good size box just to put some chopsticks in it. These are alloy chopsticks, and I bought it because I bought some of those dumplings, and I'm like, because I'm gonna do some reels and stuff, some short videos of TikTok or whatever, and I just wanted some fancy chopsticks. And yeah, I went with black. They had different colors, but I just choose black. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs. Look at it, y'all. Take a look at it. See how design is. Another box order. The next one, and this one is, I know what I have in this. I think I have a sauce, 2-time spicy sauce. I miss that sauce. I ain't had that sauce in so long, and I wanna do some videos with it. What else I got? The 2-time spicy noodles, but okay. So yeah, here's the 2-time spicy sauce. Oh my god. I bought it because I'm gonna bring one to Jamaica for my cousins so they could do a video with it. And that's I'm gonna pay them because I got the 2-time spicy. Oh my god. I don't think they ever had this. So I'm gonna do a video, some type of challenge where they can whoever first eat it off, and they're gonna get some cash. This is worth some cash. This shit right here is hot as hell. So it's only right to pay them to do it. I just got distracted. Hold on. Hold up. I just remember what this is. I touched it. I know I'm talking about something, but this just distracted shit out of me just now. This is a turmeric soap, and I thought it was bigger than this. And this is the same exact soap I saw on Temu. Oh, and I was gonna buy 5 of them? I was gonna buy 4. Oh, hell no. She said 100% natural. What? But yeah, I was like, I was saying this. I was just saying this is worth it to give them some cash for eating some spice like that. But these damn. Shits. Oh god. Can you open it? Okay. This soap is small. Oh, it come with a thing in there though. It's cute. It come with the soap thing. There we go. You put the soap in there, the bag. It's small though. Dang. How small they are. I'm putting it in my hand. Look how small it is. Huh? You see this? That ain't right. That ain't right at all. It smells really good though. 100%. I'm not pronounce that word. Turmeric soap. Facial cleanser body wash. This smells so much like ginger. When my Papaya soap finish, I'm gonna use it on my face. Well, I don't say ginger, but I smell ginger. Or the lemon I'm smelling. Maybe it's lemon. Oh, it still comes in the box. Honestly, I thought it was gonna be bigger than this. Oh yeah, cause I paid $8.99 for these. You see what I'm talking about? These for $8.99 though. This is not really $8.99, child. Okay, let me not say. I need to stop saying that. I gotta remember that people take their time to make these things, and then yeah, I don't know. Just because of the size of it, I'll be forgetting that it take a lot to make it. Whatever. That's why I be like, it don't worry, it's not worth it. But I need to stop saying that for real. Like that's not cool. That's not fair. So these it. Yeah. It's lemon. It's lemon. I don't know why I thought it was ginger. It's lemon. I'm finished. I'm about to clean up and go to sleep.
6 hours later.
Good morning, y'all. Today is Tuesday. I'm rushing the week. Today's Tuesday, December 12th. My phone bill is due today. I've been forgetting to pay my phone bill. Like, why do I have the phone close to my face? Yeah, I've been forgetting to pay my phone bill. Like, I don't know what it is. Like, and Metro sent me a reminder. It just, I got so much shit going on up here. Like, but I'm gonna pay it today. And I'm actually editing the video. I'm trying to post it today. The sun is out today, so I wanted to go outside, and I just noticed like when I was doing my Timo haul last night, something was missing from a package of mine. When I went to go pick it up, it was open, so something is missing out of it. Like it's like a green tea face mask, and I'm like, I wanted that so bad. I paid $4 for that 2 pieces. It was $4.49 because I'm like something's missing. So I went back to go look at my order list, the stuff that I had I ordered, and I see everything else but that. And I remember the bag was open, so and I did count the stuff in the bag. It was supposed to be 20 items, and it was 19. So I don't know if it's a mailman took it out or if whoever delivered it to UPS, USPS. I don't know. Whoever delivered it to the post office probably opened it or something. I don't know, but my shit is missing, and I'm gonna tell Timu, okay? Because I need it. I'm going to Jamaica next week. I cannot wait. I'm going to make so much content. Got a double chin child. It's coming. Look at that. Oh no. You got to fix that. It's a beautiful day to go outside and do some jump rope. It's a nice day outside. I don't know, but it's about to be 11 right now. Yeah, it's about to be 11. Don't mind the sound in the background. That's the rain sound that I go to sleep with. So why not just leave it on? Yeah. My bad.
2 hours later.
So it's dinner, lunch and dinner. I have to go before I go to work because rice is over there. I'm gonna put some spinach in it because I'm keeping some dumplings, but I don't have no big dumplings. You know them over there? Yeah. I just can't put this curry chicken in the fridge, but I'm about to tear. Let me say. I can't wait. Can't wait till the food finish. Hurry up. I'm hungry right now. I'm not eating no breakfast. It's 4 minutes to 1. I don't have no potatoes or anything because I don't have. I have to go outside today. I'm not in the mood. When I took a break from editing. Well, I almost finished. So later on, probably when I go to work, I'll just look it over one more time and upload it. But yeah, yes, I had no potatoes, no carrots. I have to go outside to go get it, but I couldn't wait. And the other day when I opened my cupboard, the browning fell out and broke. So I couldn't even cook no brown stewed chicken if I wanted to, or stewed chicken, whatever. Then I remember I have sugar. I could use sugar. I forgot about the burning sugar method because I didn't do it in so long. So I remember what it's. But so I'm just finishing up cleaning this chicken for tomorrow. Just get it out of the way in case I want to cook tomorrow. Just come and just season stuff and just whatever. Cause that's gonna be for me to eat right now, and that's for my dinner. So I don't think anything gonna be left over. Alright, let me get some fried chicken and rice. Yeah. Some spinach. That look nice. Nice. It's every week thing. Every week they have something. Might as well. I mean, I cooked earlier, but might as well. I don't know what that green thing is. Hopefully it tastes good. I'm gonna have some green tea tonight. Cake is a little too sweet. I have my water, but I don't think I'm gonna eat that cake. It's so big. Okay. Not bad. Yeah.
2 days later.
Good morning, y'all. Today is Thursday, December 13 or 14. It's around 10:30 right now. I'm heading to Dollar Tree real quick to go get some little female products. It's cold. It's like 35 degrees. Yeah, and the sun was out. It's crazy. I thought I was gonna go to the park over there, that way actually, and do some little jump rope. But it's me not checking the weather before I decided to do that. I come outside, I'm like, ooh, yo, it's cold. So I'm just gonna go to Dollar Tree real quick and go back inside. I actually have to start packing. I need to start packing. I'm going to Jamaica next week and I didn't even start packing yet. But I ordered something from Fashion Nova. I thought it was gonna come in time. Because I'm like, I ordered it like 3 days ago. It was saying, it says it was getting ready, but it didn't ship yet. So I checked it again this morning. See that it says delivered December 18, and I'm like, delivered. But I saw the date. I'm like, okay, December 18th. So that means it's going to be delivered on, I think that's Monday. So that's good for me. Because I'm like, I hope it should come before. Because I'm really trying to, most of the stuff on there for my family, for my cousins and my brother. And it's like a few stuff on there for me. So this morning I had so yesterday the day before when I put the curry chicken, was the day before or the day before? I don't know what they put the curry chicken, but I had put some rice and I'm like, okay, so the rice, I'm not eating no more rice until I go to Jamaica. I'm really not. So I've been on my green tea. Drinking it before bed, drinking it in the morning. So I'm trying to cleanse before I go to Jamaica. So I'm not eating no more rice, like I said. So I'm just gonna be eating chicken, probably mashed potatoes, and vegetables. Yeah, I'm putting out the rest until I go to Jamaica. I'm actually gonna buy some smoothie stuff right here now at Dollar Tree. But this morning I had 3 eggs, and I need to eat all my eggs too, because I have so many eggs. And I swear, if I don't eat them by the time I go to Jamaica, they're gonna spoil right when I come back. Because I'm spending 2 weeks out there. Look at this candle holder. This is so cute. I feel like I want to get this. You can put the other candles inside and put something on top. I feel like this is so cute. They only have 2 colors. I feel like getting the red one. So my room could pop. The black one that I have is stripped a little bit. Stripped because I was scraping the wax off. And yeah, so sometimes when I put the wax on to burn, it smells like metal. It's like a mix with metal and the scent, and I don't like that. So I think I'm gonna get this one. What's this? Oh, it's incense holder. This is so cute. I'm always burning incense too. I just love when my room smells so good. But damn, it's the only black one and it's chipped. Okay, that was got new candles, and I like that. This one says tranquil, calm. It smells good. this smells so good. Should I get this one? Oh, look at my Gemini scents. Only 20 pieces in there though. I don't know about how this smells. I think I'm gonna get my regular scents because this only come with 20 pieces, and I think these come with my phone out. These come with 40. The aromatherapy one come with 40, and these is 20. I just came back inside. I was outside with my neighbor doing some. I did do some jump rope. I went to the park, so I was working out a little bit. Yep, in the same attire with my jacket on because it's freezing. So I was just doing some little jump rope. And now it's after 12. Now it's time. I'm just gonna fix this place up and before I leave off work. Oh, so I tried this yesterday. It was so loud. It's not loud, but it's loud enough. Like, it works good. So all I had to do, you just gotta charge it.
Bluetooth mode connected.
Yeah, that's how loud it is. I went to Dollar Tree for deodorant. They had no deodorant, and I wasn't even looking for the men deodorant because at this point I just wanted a powder deodorant. I didn't get any, so but I ended up buying stuff for Jamaica, like candles and when current gone. Yeah, I bought some of that. But I bought incense, I bought batteries, and I bought another, like a candle that you can work with batteries. So that's why I bought the batteries. So, but I bought like a lot of them. I'm here making some banana fritters. This is it. But yeah, the banana was really ripe, so that's why it looked like that. I added nutmeg, vanilla, and cinnamon powder, and a little bit of salt, and of course the flour right here. So I'm gonna fry it right now, and for a long time I eat this, Some of the banana. The smoke for me. I'm gonna one of them one time. Me hungry, but I don't care. I like my little burnt, so I'm gonna take them out right now. Put them burn up. Y'all be let that down cook. I'm not sucking them out because it's oil in it. Gotta suck it out. You're not very cholesterol, yeah. So I'm about to have some ginger lemon and peppermint because I'm about to have something with oil and I don't want it to sit on my chest. So I'm about to use one of each. Even though I had tea this morning, I just had green tea. It wasn't nothing like this. So I'm gonna use two. So listen, I was watching a vlog the other day and I kept calling it something there. We use pots, okay? I saw somebody was saying, I was watching Alicia Kim vlog and she said somebody commented in her vlog talking about she must buy a kettle or whatever. And she was like, you don't know, say me Jamaican. Like, seriously, this is what we do. We use pots. I mean, we use kettles too, but this is what we started off, okay? I mean, not in the pickle. So, this is what I'm using. Oh, listen to me, please. It's the same thing. It's water. It's gonna be hot. Well, I must buy a kettle to please people. Anyways, I'm not gonna put no sugar in there. I'll usually use honey, but I think the honey is finished too. So I might have to drink it like this. But I'm gonna put this to the side, let it, brew. Well, I'm gonna eat this. It's still on. I get 3 bananas. Maybe it's very oily. See, I didn't use a lot of oil. Maybe we should have used more flour, but it's good overall. It tastes really good because I don't taste that I did too much with any of the ingredients. I never already do that, so that's good. Oh, it's really hot. Job is having a coat drive, so they want some stuff that people not using, I guess, or they don't want. So I have a few coats in there that I don't even wear, and I have some of Kimani old coats. I thought I was gonna sell them on, like, you know, the apps that have be selling stuff. I'm gonna look crazy. So I thought I was gonna sell them on like Mercury or them apps that you sell clothes on, but I never did it. So I usually just bring them to the donation bins, or I call this number that come and pick it up. But I haven't called that number in a while. I just put them in the donation bins. This is Kamani old coat that don't fit him no more. And I had bought from Cookies like probably 2 years ago. And I see that it's ripped right here, but oh, I have this in there. Oh, it's so small. Okay, I'm gonna bring this and this coat that I had bought from Boohoo. It's the tag is still on there. I never wore it, but it's very light. Like this is not for the winter. It's very, very light. You know, but somebody could get this. Like I rather donate it than sell it. You know, like somebody could get this. Somebody that really need it. It's a size 10, but it's a brand new coat. So I'm gonna bring it because when I went to work yesterday, I see that I have the box right by my desk, and I see it's a coat drive. They're accepting anything a little bit like female hygiene products, anything, you know, coat, diapers, blah blah blah. So I'm like, okay, yeah, I have some coats here that I don't wear and I'm not using, and this other coat that he never wore that much because it was a little small because Kimani grew so fast, so he didn't wear this coat for a long time. So I'm gonna bring these there. I'm gonna bring these to work today. I need a big bag. It's only 3 though. It's not even a lot. I'm gonna bring all 3 of these to work today and store it in the box because I gotta have room in my closet. I've been wanting to do that anyways. And this coat that I barely wear, like, well, I'm not giving this one away. I'm just saying I barely wear this coat. I think I wore this last year one time. It's basically a fall coat, but that's staying right there. That's not. I'm not giving that one away. I don't know if I have any more in here, but this coat, this long pea coat, teddy coat that I think I have bought it from Boohoo too. Yeah, I did. It's a tall coat. It's long. It's very long. It's a size 8, but it's big on me. I'm gonna keep it. I'm just gonna wash it and let it shrink. 124. Yeah, okay. I got like an hour to get in the shower and get ready for work. A whole hour.
2 hours later.
So I just got to work. And it's crazy. I only had $1 and actually and she said yes. Like I asked her if I could order $1 till tomorrow, and she said yes. Yeah. I was hoping she said yes. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, I don't really have cash on me like that. I think I'm gonna do laundry or pay the people to go when I'm going to Pennsylvania. But I knew I would have been tomorrow after work. But I'm going to Pennsylvania on Saturday. This professor ordered pizza for his class and he insisted on me getting one. I could have said no. He coming.
Dr. Pepper, Coke.
Diet Coke.
Diet Coke.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
So this is mushroom and peppers. I never had this before. I could have said no because I had my lunch, but I chose not to. It was my fault. I never had mushroom and peppers before. I didn't want no cheese and pepperoni. So this is like more the healthy version. Not bad. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. How would I tell y'all this? But I ordered a Rihanna perfume, the real one. Cause remember when I went to King's Plaza the other day, The lady was trying to send me Rihanna perfume. I'm looking at her like, that's not the Rihanna perfume. It's like a way watered down version of the Rihanna perfume. The Rihanna perfume is pink. That one is like a light pink. It's like it's white. And I'm like, that's not it. And she looked at me like she's getting annoyed. I'm like, oh, like, bitch, I've met Rihanna, okay? So I know that's not it. Like, people just be doing the most. It's like, you getting at this for what? Because I'm telling you that's not the real perfume. No, put my Instagram up because it's pinned on my Instagram. So I'll pull the Instagram up and I can show you it's not the real one. If I was so humble, I said, like, people need to, it was not that serious for you to be making up a face and doing the most. I didn't even finish my sentence because I saw her face and I'm like, let me just go. I'm just gonna walk out. It was $50. So I bought one from Saint Decants and it's supposed to be coming next week. Cause I'm like, I'm gonna organize my perfumes. I need to have a Rihanna perfume. So that's like one of the best perfume I ever had. It smells so good. I heard it's a Beyonce perfume smell, but I'm not buying Beyonce perfume. So if I'm not meeting you, if I gotta pay a perfume for $100, I'm not buying it. Just like how I met Rihanna. That was a chance for me to meet Rihanna and I met her and I got the perfume. The perfume was $100 and something, like 12 or whatever. That was worth it because I met her. Now, Beyonce now, she wants you to spend so much money on a damn perfume you're not good about. It's not just her alone. But I mean, I know you can't meet everybody. What I'm just saying, like, if you're an artist, I feel like you want people to spend their money, if they hard-earned money on a perfume, you should be able to, give something to them, like a meet and greet. I mean, I know she can do. I mean, that would have been a tour for her to go to different states and meet some of your guests. And that's the thing too. Y'all went to her concert and spent so much money. Yeah, I didn't even meet her. Yeah, no. So each his own though, but I ain't doing that. Yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm meeting you. If I gotta pay over $600 for a ticket, I would never do that shit anyways. My money's not going. Yes, that don't make no sense. But whatever. Like, everybody do what they want to do, so. But me, I'm gonna meet somebody, okay? I'm gonna meet somebody. So, to you. We're on a hunt again, going to Wendy's. I was fighting the urge to not go, to be really honest. But I'm hungry. And I went to Dollar Tree today and I picked up the hamburger bread and I put it back down. Like, I'm gonna make hamburgers when I get home. But no, I wanna go to Wendy's. My co-workers, I have to buy them. Well, they give me money to buy for them. My God, I'm so sorry. So I'm only buying them 4 for 4. A lot of ketchup. Allen Spice is the name. Some Broadway. The Instagram. Facebook. It's cool. I don't see no ordering. Oh, here it is. It's off. What if they have breakfast? I don't even have no cash on me. But the bank is right there. People free promotion. Nice. Some menu. Oh, they have breakfast here. They have breakfast. They have lunch. What are you saying? I can't sell this right now, but I don't know. Breakfast in the bank. Thank you. It's Friday, by the way. I'm supposed to be at work, but I had to call out this morning. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my video. Bye.